Time is called. Apparently they're having some bees on the field. So smoke backing out. So is Nick Franklin. The umpire, second base umpire Andy Fletcher's cleared the way.
King Felix doing the smart thing. He's getting away from that mound area.
Wow.
Not a fan of bees myself. Nor is many people.
All right, who's got the open Snickers bar? As long as they stay out there.
Yeah, we hate to be that way, but I agree. There's a big thing of cotton candy walking by the foul line. I'm not so sure I'm walking around with cotton candy right now.
Yeah. Well, the delay here being that there's a swarm of bees on the field, around the field, kind of flying around the right field wall. C.J. Wilson looking on, and Felix Hernandez about to throw his 25th pitch once we get going once again. Hey, folks.